lot of people don't know, but the interior materials of your car off-gas often, and the interior of your windshield can really become foggy or hazy or just collect dirt and grime over time. We don't really see it hardly ever, but if it's a smoker's car, you get that smoke residue on the inside of the windows. And so today in this video, what I'm going to show you how to do is how you can very quickly and effectively get rid of this with two simple products, one which you probably already have at home and one you definitely should have at home. But it's a very straightforward, very simple process to do. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so you can get streak-free glass without damaging the window tint, without damaging any other materials in the car, and just get crystal clear glass. Okay, so I'm going to be working on this half of the car, the passenger side, and you can see there's some sticky mounts and just stuff gets, the inside of the windshield just sees a lot of stuff. Some people, this window doesn't have it, but a lot of people will sneeze on the windshield and then you got really gross stuff. So again, that's why we're starting with a complete cabin cleaner. And I'm just going to spray it directly onto the glass. Again, if you have window tint on the inside of your window, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about the complete cabin cleaner. And this is going to do the bulk of the work and really probably won't even look that streaky. You might see a little bit of streaks, but that's okay. We're gonna hit it with the glass. So right now I can't, it does look a little streaky in some parts to me, but we got pretty much everything. If you wanted to, you could hit it again like that, but you're probably seeing a little bit of streaks, and that is totally normal, totally okay. Are you seeing some streaks or no? Towards the bottom. Okay, so towards the bottom, some areas you're gonna see streaks, but that's okay. That's why you have your distilled or deionized water to finalize all those streaks. So you're gonna just douse it like that, take your microfiber towel, and I'm working in horizontal. It's just kind of a habit I've had, horizontal patterns like that. Get the side, horizontal again. And when I work on the exterior, I work in vertical, so I know which side my streaks are on, but that should look pretty good. How does it look from that angle? I don't see any streaks, but oh, okay. So a little bit of streaks. So maybe what I'll do, the streaks actually are vertical, so the streaks might be on the outside of the car, but this is exactly why I work horizontal on the inside, vertical on the outside, so I know where my streaks are, and those streaks look like vertical. So as you can see, the driver's side still has a lot of that buildup, but the passenger side is squeaky clean. So you could imagine at night, I'm gonna finish up the driver's side, but you could imagine at night, oh, it locked on me. You can imagine at night how, you know, reflections or just having debris in the way could really be a hassle. So again, complete cabin cleaner. We're letting it break down the dirt and debris and grime on the window. I'm gonna come in here. Clean all that off. If it's really, really heavy buildup, you may want a second pass with it, like that. Sometimes you get, you know, on the back windows, you get kid boogers or all kinds of stuff, but you'd be amazed, even if your window doesn't look bad, how dirty it actually is and how much better you could see out of it at night. So then, again, just the world's best glass cleaner. Just deionized water. Again, in horizontal strokes. And bonus points if you can clean the glass without honking the horn on the driver's side. And also to check your work, one thing you could do is if you put the car in direct sun and let the sunshine shine through the front window. Yeah, you got some sort of stain on there right in the middle, but I think we're good there. We got rid of all that junk and debris. Does that look pretty clear from there? Sometimes in the corners it gets a little, you miss it a little bit, so you got to go kind of just touch it up. But overall, we got rid of the bulk of that junk that was on the interior of the glass, and that's how you could get rid of it. Very straightforward, very simple, very easy. Then we'll have to figure out that stain. Probably Pure Magic Cleaner, but maybe we'll save that for another video. But if your front interior windshield is caked up with junk, that's how you could clean it. Simple, easy, effective. I'll link everything below. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya.